Welcome back to our channel where we dive into all things automotive. Ever slam on the gas and your car just sputters? It's frustrating, right? That hesitation can be a sign of a deeper issue. You might have a bad throttle body. This component is crucial for your car's performance. This little guy controls how much air goes into your engine. Without it functioning properly, your car can't perform at its best. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 signs and symptoms of a bad throttle body. From strange noises to poor acceleration, we'll cover it all. By the end, you'll know what to look for and can get it fixed before it leaves you stranded. No one wants to be stuck on the side of the road, so buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. We've got a lot to cover, and you won't want to miss a thing. First up, engine stalling. When you're cruising and your engine suddenly takes a nap, it could be your throttle body. Gunk can build up on the throttle plate, causing it to stick. You hit the gas expecting power and bam, nothing. The engine chokes, sputters, and might even stall out completely. Your car's computer tries to compensate, but sometimes it just can't keep up. Next, let's talk about that sinking feeling. You hit the gas pedal expecting a burst of speed, but instead your car just goes, meh. It's frustrating, right? A bad throttle body can rob you of precious horsepower, making your car feel sluggish. When the throttle body is on the fritz, it messes up the balance of air and fuel, which is crucial for engine performance. Too little air, and your engine's suffocating, struggling to breathe. Too much air, and it won't combust right, leading to misfires and poor performance. You end up with a car that feels as powerful as a wet noodle, barely able to move. Fixing or replacing the throttle body can restore your car's power, making it feel like new again. Now let's talk about rough idling. When you're at a red light and your car feels like it's doing the jitterbug, that's not normal. Your throttle body might be the culprit. When it acts up, it throws the airflow out of whack. The engine doesn't get the right amount of air and fuel, causing it to sputter and shake. In severe cases, your car might even go into limp mode. Let's talk about the dreaded check engine light. It's that little icon on your dashboard that can cause a lot of anxiety. When it lights up, it's like your car is trying to tell you something important. It could mean a million things, but one of them might be a faulty throttle body. The throttle body is a crucial component that controls the amount of air flowing into your engine. If it's not working properly, your car's performance can suffer. Modern cars have an electronic throttle control system that monitors the throttle body. This system uses sensors to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If it detects an issue, it sends a signal to your car's computer. If it senses something fishy, it triggers the check engine light. This is your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. A check engine light doesn't automatically mean your throttle body is toast, but it's a sign to get it checked out. A professional mechanic can diagnose the issue and determine if the throttle body or another component is at fault. Ignoring it is like ignoring a toothache. It might go away, but it'll probably come back worse. Addressing the issue early can save you from more expensive repairs down the road and keep your car running smoothly. Now let's talk about poor gas mileage. A dirty or failing throttle body could be the culprit. When it's clogged, it can't regulate airflow efficiently, messing up the air-fuel mixture. This leads to worse gas mileage, like running a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. If you're making more pit stops at the gas station, get that throttle body checked out. Let's dive into the butterfly valve, also known as the throttle plate. It's responsible for controlling the amount of air that flows into the engine. Over time, it can get worn out from constant exposure to dirt and hot air. A worn valve might not seal properly or get stuck, throwing off the airflow. This messes with your engine's performance. If you're experiencing symptoms, have a mechanic check the butterfly valve. Can you drive with a failing throttle body? The answer is no. Driving with a failing throttle body is like playing Russian roulette with your car. It can cause engine stalls, lack of power, and rough idling. It can also reduce fuel efficiency and damage other engine parts. Get it fixed or replaced as soon as you notice any problems. So there you have it. 7 signs your throttle body might be failing. It's a critical part of your engine's air intake system. Replace your throttle body every 100,000 to 150,000 miles and keep up with regular maintenance. If you notice any symptoms, get it checked out ASAP. So, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and like the video if you found what I shared useful. Thanks for watching.